February 1, 1995. The Real Estate Capital Scoreboard. February 1995. Accrual debt, Mini-perm, is popular for acquisition financing, renovation, construction and other high-leverage fundings in excess of 75% loan-to-values with provable cash flow upside. Current pricing ranges from 1.5% to 2.5% floating over bank prime. Typical term is 5 to 7 years. Standby commitments are also attractive funding alternatives. Standby fees start at 1% per 6-month period plus a 50% or greater ownership right for providing credit enhancements. Key sources for accrual loans include credit companies, select banks and private placement funds. Expect accrual loans to gain popularity as more development deals emerge based on supply-constrained markets.